Welcome to InfoGod channel. Today is the 14th of December 2024. Today we are celebrating Datta Jayanti here in India. I hope you are seeing and enjoying this video of Datta Jayanti wherever you are living in India or outside of India. Here in this video you can see Ekmukhi Dattatreya's glimpse and views from Narayanpur, Pune, Maharashtra. Here in Narayanpur, Pune, Maharashtra, 24 years back, Ekmukhi Dattatreya temple has been founded. 24 years back, Narayan Maharaj has founded this Ekmukhi Dattatreya over here in Pune, Maharashtra. But he is no more. In remembrance of Narayan Maharaj, Shivadatta Yajna is happening over here in Ekmukhi Dattatreya's temple on the evidence of Datta Jayanti. Please enjoy this video of Datta Jayanti and take a glimpse from Ekmukhi Dattatreya. Bye.